Hi guys, this is Niranjana from Shopaholic Leo for you. First of all, I'd like to request you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It is absolutely free for you but would mean a lot to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, please hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for the patience.
So today we are going to talk about skincare with grapes, and this is my first ever experience with this product. The brand name is Gravitel, and we are going to talk about the Blue Mountain Vineyard Skin Revitalizing Gel, and it is basically enriched with grapes. So before getting started with the product, this is my first ever experience with grapes on face, and I have to tell you that this is a positive review in the end because this is something that was very new to me and the results were really good as well. So this is particular formulation is free from sulfates, parabens, petroleum derivatives, soaps and animal origin products. So basically, in simple words, this Gravitel brand, they have their own vineyard in southern India, and they have the grapes which has a phenolic content that is much greater than the normal grapes, the commercial grapes, and that particular grapes is actually crushed and used in this gel, which you can see. I don't know if you can see, there are actual grape peels in it. The original grape peels are there in the gel. I hope you can see that, and that is exactly the speciality of this particular Gravitel Revitalizing Gel that I'm going to talk about. So this is a small pamphlet that they have sent in which they have written about the brand in detail. So basically this grape has 5.4 times more phenolic antioxidant content than the regular grapes, and their skin revitalizing gel is rich in alpha hydroxy acids, phenolic antioxidant, vitamin C, etc. Topical grade grapes blended with hand blended with natural and eco certified ingredients and work synergistically. So why grapes? If that is a question, now they have an answer to that as well. I really can't comment if any of this is happening because these are things that are not quantified. Like it says, improvement in free radical scavenging, which means it can control signs of anti-aging, increases collagen, for 67% retention rate of moisture, etc. are given. But all in all, I can say that it tightens my pores, it makes my skin smoother, and it makes my skin firm. And that is something that I was expecting from it, and that is exactly what I got. This skin revitalizing gel, I think you can get it in purple. Right now it's available only on purple, and the price is, it's slightly on the pricey side. It is 450 rupees for 50 grams of the product. So this sample was sent to me for review, and I have used it like thrice or 4 times, and it's almost gonna end right now. So let's see a clipping of how it works. So you can actually spot the grape peel on the skin, and that is how natural it can get. It's like a light coverage mask, as you can see, but the effect is so good. Tighter and brighter skin, and that is exactly what I expected it to be. The thing I like the most about this gel is its natural fragrance. It has a jaggery plus grape kind of fragrance. It is a not typical grape fragrance, and it's very easy to apply onto your face. It's a non-messy kind of, it's like a gel mask. It dries up in no time. You have to keep it on for like around 15 minutes if you're using once a week, or 8 to 9 minutes if you're using twice a week. Everything is written at the backside very clearly. So it dries up really quickly, and after cleaning up, you can feel that shrinking of pores, these things are visible on your skin, and that effect, that glow stays on for like at least a day. It doesn't really control your oil secretion or make your skin oily free or anything. You will, if you have very typical oily skin, like in about 2 to 3 hours, your skin will be back to that phase. But overall, there is a glow that I'm talking about, and this is a new kind of gel mask that I have tried. I have tried the herbal mask, the organic mask, or whatever you call it. But a grape gel mask was a very new thing. So if you like trying out newer skincare products, and Gravitel is a brand that is mostly focused around grapes. All the products right now, they have come up with a moisturizer as well. So if this catches your fancy, you should definitely give this a try. A lot of people have added it in the wish list of purple, but they've not really purchased it. I used to get a lot of DMs when I posted it first on Insta. But I'll give a thumbs up for this product. People who have used it almost liked it so much. It's very gentle on skin. It is a unisex product. The packaging, as you can see, the one thing that I forgot to mention, the picture here of the grapes, I was so excited to see the picture, and I came to know that this is actually the grapes that is grown in their vineyard, and this is a picture that is captured of original grapes. The packaging is very simple and very convenient and travel friendly. Unisex product. Pricing is slightly on the heavier side, but you will definitely love how it, how your skin fares after you use it. So I can definitely recommend this product, and you can get all the links and everything would be in the description box. I have done a detailed review on Insta. I'll be linking that as well. So this is like a mini and short review. I just want you to know that there's exists such a product. If you come across this anytime, you can know that you can definitely give it a try. So that's it pretty much about this mini review. I hope this video was helpful to you, and today's Sunday, today's skin pampering day. I hope you're gonna make very good choices today. So yeah, that's it pretty much. A week is coming and a lot of boxes and a lot of things are coming up, so I'll catch you up with all very soon. Thank you, take care, bye bye.